Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to contact Bitget customer support in 2025. So first of all, navigate to any browser on your mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in Bitget support. Now this will show up a search result saying 24/7 support services www.bitget.com. Click on this link and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you can click on this little headphone icon at the bottom right side of the screen. It will take you to this page. You can easily log in using your user credentials if you want to log in, but if you don't want to log into your account, click on continue as a visitor. Now scroll down at the bottom and on this page you get the option to get connected to the online customer service by clicking on this button here. When you click on this button, it will show up this page. Now on this page you can easily ask your queries. For example, you can also choose language or continue with the current language. So I'm going to click on continue with the current language. Now it will ask me some questions like what is my concern, deposit and withdrawal, account security, campaign and bonus, trading, KYC or something else. Click on ask something else and it will message you, got it, how can I help you? Now you can easily ask questions to this bot and this will help you solve your problem. Or if you want to get connected to a live agent, just type in connect to a live agent. Hit enter. Now, after you type in connect to a live agent, it will show up an option saying before connecting you to a live chat agent, there is a specific question or concern you'd like me to assist with. So type in no, hit enter. After you type in connect to a live agent, it will say I will connect you with a customer support agent right away. Before that, could you please provide me your mobile number or your email address for us to serve you better? So choose using my mobile number or using my email address. Just enter your mobile number or email address in this field in the message box and they will instantly connect you to the Bitget customer support with whom you can easily have your conversation and solve your problem. That is how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.